Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to cut and sew low waist straight skirt. I will fold into two. I'm using 1 yard by 60, 36 inches by 60. I fold into two. This into two. I will fold again. Before I fold, I will mark. I'm adding zip on the back. I will mark for zip 1 inch. I'm going to mark all the way down. After folding into two, I will bring this way. I will place on top where I mark. Then that means I have into 4. I place this one on top where I mark. I will fold the top. This is the waist. I fold with 1 inch for the band. Waist is 38 inches, divided by 4 is 9 inches. I place my tape on top, the waist. I measure down 12.5 inches. This hip. Hip is 54 inches, but with this one, I'm going to reduce the measurement because it's a stretch material. 52 inches. Divide by 4. That is plus sewing. On the bottom, I measure 12 inches plus sewing. I will cut here. A notch for zip on the bottom. I'm going to sew. It's a very simple one. What I will do is to sew for zip. I will leave 8 inches. I will leave here open for zip. Then I will sew from here. After sewing, then I will join the two sides. I'm done sewing and I leave 8 inches open for zip. I will place on top like this and sew the two sides. After sewing, I will hem the bottom. I'm done fixing zip. And I sew one side. I'm going to sew this side. I bring this place like this. And I place on top where I mark, and I bring this to cover. Then I will measure 38 inches, divide by 4. Then I will sew all the way down, then end the bottom. I'm done joining the two sides and the bottom. Then on the waist here, you can decide to stitch down on top. I'm going to sew this 1 inch for the waist as the band. I'm going to stitch down. It's a very simple one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.